Hello everyone! Today we will be talking about Merge by Amazon design ideas, about trendy designs. I chose only the designs that have good sales volume for now, and most of them will be evergreen designs, or in other words, designs that will sell any month or any time of the year, and some of the design ideas will be trendy holiday designs, because when I'm recording this video soon will be Christmas holidays, and of course in trendy searches, in high volume searches, there are a lot of different designs that are connected with Christmas or other holidays. And of course when I'm choosing different design ideas for this and other videos on my channel, I use BSR, best-selling ranking, which can show you the amount of sales of any listing. And of course I'm trying to find the designs that has the lowest BSR, so the listing has more sales, and I want to find such designs that have a lot of sales not only in one variant but from different sellers, different designers. And the first design will be from an evergreen topic, so you can sell it almost any time of the year, and it is a very niche design because it is connected with board game. I think it is from the Settlers board game, and now you can find a lot of results in the search that match this search phrase, and you also can see that the competition here is very low. We can find only 122 results here, but not all of them are connected with this search term. So to be honest, there are less than 20, I think, different designs. And here we can also find some shorts that are selling quite good, like this one with BSR less than 200,000, and it's a good BSR for sales. But even with different design we can find the shirts that are selling good. And of course it's not the search with the highest volume, but very low competition, so I think that this kind of design can bring you some sales too. And this design, nobody wants your freaking ship. It's as I understand from board card, yeah, with the ship from the Settlers board game, and as I can understand, it is a very basic card, and almost everyone have it, and as I can understand, it should look something like that. And of course this Settlers game looks like that, so that's why the shape of this ship should have 6 angles. Anyway, you can also simply make your stylization of this ship card, and it can be a good long-selling design for you. Okay, let's go forward, and the next design for today will be about Christmas, and it is quite simple Christmas design. It is not very competitive for now. The search phrase is I'm fine, everything is fine, Christmas lights. So it is about the Christmas lights routine when you trying to place them anywhere and have some problems with that. And of course you should illustrate here this Christmas lights and this simple phrase. Yes, what I don't like in this design is the very basic idea, because you can simply draw these Christmas lights, but there are not a lot of different elements in different designs in different listings. So when you will draw it, you will get something quite similar to other variants. Yes, we can find some designs with also Christmas gnomes like this design, and as we can see, the sales are pretty good too in this variation. So what I want to do with that design is to add something different to this Christmas lights, maybe even this dog or cat or something like that, and it will help you to stand out from all these search results that look very similar. Of course, you can also make the same design but with your lights, and maybe you will get sales with that variation too. But I want to try to develop this design and to make it better than the others. And as we can see from BSR rank, all these listings have very high sales, and to be honest, it's not the highest as the peak of Christmas sales yet. So I think closer to the Christmas, the sales for that design will be very, very high. And I'm recording this video at the end of November, so you have some time to illustrate this Christmas lights and to add your listing to Merge by Amazon. Next one will be the Evergreen design tool. It is a golf related design. The search term is they see me rolling golf cart. And the phrase on this design is they see me rolling, they hating. To be honest, I like different golf designs because usually they are not very competitive, and even here we can find only 233 search results. And yes, of course, search volume for golf design isn't very high, but not a lot of golf ideas are on the market too. So when you are making some golf related design, you can expect sales, and you can also expect that sales to be for a long time. We can find only some designs with a lot of sales, but anyway, I think that this design idea can also bring you some sales, because a lot of different styled designs are with some sales, and that sales will be with them for a long time. Of course, I really like that variations with vintage sun or another vintage styled designs. Yes, you can also make some simplistic design in one or two colors, and they can look good too, but as I think distressed designs like here and vintage styled designs will look better. Anyway, this design is more about stylization, because you should draw this golf cart on this design. Maybe you can find another way to illustrate this phrase, but for me this golf cart is the best way to make such kind of design. Okay, and next one will be a holiday design too, but not Christmas holiday, but Hanukkah holiday. And the search phrase is this is how I roll Hanukkah short. This is how I roll is a very popular phrase, but in this variation of this is how I roll design, you should make an illustration of dreidel. It's a Hanukkah's thing, and we can find a different variation of this Hanukkah designs with the phrase this is how I roll. And before the Hanukkah you can also expect good sales. It's not so popular, of course, like Christmas, but not so competitive as Christmas too. And I also suggest you to search for some different phrases for a Hanukkah, because you can find not only this is how I roll design idea, but a lot of different designs for Hanukkah too. And in this time it's often better to make Hanukkah designs than Christmas designs, because it's hard to get a lot of sales on very competitive Christmas niche, and the Hanukkah niche is not so hard and not so competitive yet. And let's go to another design idea. It's a funny pan design that is an evergreen design too. The search phrase is "I've got your back," and it's about a funny joke with two skeletons, or with two people, with the phrase "I've got your back," and when one of the skeletons get the spine of another one. I think that the first variation was like that, but this interpretation with skeletons look very good too, so I think that you can make both of them, or try to find your different illustration, your different variation to this phrase. Scrolling down, we can find even not very good illustrated designs, like here with some color problems, or even here I can't say that that designs look really nice. A lot of skeleton variations too, with fallen skeletons or something like that, and these two variants look really good, but I think that after a brainstorm you can find other characters that you can use to illustrate this design, and if it will be a good creative design, you can also get a lot of sales, because your designs will look really different from other search results. So this was 5 design ideas from trendy searches on Marriage by Amazon. I think it will be a weekly video on my channel, so subscribe to this channel, and see you in other videos about Redbubble trends and Marriage by Amazon trends, and also other videos about print-on-demand business. And I wish you creative designs and good sales, and see you soon. Bye!